Hey guys, yeah. So today, solving this interesting problem. I may solve this already, but yeah. So now let's solve it again. Yeah. So there is a single number. There's a list and empty array. Non-empty array such that every element appears twice except for one. So, yeah. For example, 2 to 1, and this is 4 1 2 1 2 and 4 2 2 1 1. However, and so you can see 4 is the guy which only happen once. Well, so the problem is that you need to find a single one, and you can only use a linear runtime complexity. So that means you can only go through array, and only constant extra space. So you are not allowed to use a set, right? So in general, you should use set, and you can use set or do something, right? And another way is that maybe you will say that, okay, I can test set nums, and maybe I take length, right? And I times 2 and the minus original length, and divided by 2, right? Because if I take sets, then that means I take a unique number and I times 2. That means I assume that every guys happen twice, right? And the remaining guy is the answer. But the problem is that if you take set a nums, then you already use the linear space, right? So you are not allowed to use you are only allowed to use a constant extra space, but not linear space. Okay, so one idea that is very strange is that you can understand this by knowing the so-called XOR. Okay, so I use this. Sorry. So the property of XOR is that if A XOR A will give you 0. Okay, and a 0 XOR B will give you B. Okay, so suppose that we have the XOR operation can use, right? So the problem is that we can just use XOR of all the nums, and the final remaining will be that results. Okay, so I just go through array once, and I compute the XOR of the all answer of the all element in the array. So for example, this is what 2 to 1, right? So 2 XOR 2 XOR 1, right? So these two give you 0, so you get 1, right? So final result is 1. Okay, so now you only need one number, right? So let's just set A to be 0, and for I nums, and the A equals to A XOR A XOR I, and just return A. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, so yeah, okay. So see you guys next videos. Bye bye.